Now we shall have Aisha Bawla and Anam Qureshi of Senior KG present the dua to be recited after sneezing.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ismi Aisha Bawla. Ana min rawzat al-atfal al-ulya. Dua idha atas ma'at tarjama. Ayyuha al-hafl al-karim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ismi Anam Qureshi. Ana min rawzat al-atfal al-ulya. Alhamdulillah, all praise be to Allah. Yarhamukallah, may Allah have mercy on you. Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum, may Allah guide you and improve your condition.